Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here, thank you for joining. So today I will be cooking a recipe that takes only 15 minutes, one pot, and is simple and delicious, so stay tuned. Today's easy recipe is pasta with broccoli, and it includes very minimal ingredients too, which makes this recipe even more simple. The ingredients include garlic, chili, Parmigiano, reggiano, broccoli, olive oil, salt and pepper, and the pasta of your choice. I chose to use the Barilla dialti pasta. I enjoy it with this dish. You cook it for 10 minutes. So my water is now boiling. I put my pasta in, and then I'm gonna season the water with some salt to give the pasta some flavor. And I usually take mine out about 2 minutes early because I find when I go back and add in the broccoli and the olive oil and stuff that it cooks as well. So I like my pasta a little bit more al dente, but you can choose what you like. Depending how cooked you like your broccoli, you can add it right away or wait a couple minutes. And I also like to add a garlic clove to give it some extra flavor. Now that's cooked, so I'm gonna saute in that same pot some chili, olive oil, and garlic, then add it back in. I'm gonna add more salt, pepper, olive oil, and any other seasonings of your choice. Then I'm gonna add in my Parmigiano Reggiano, and again, you can use as much as little as you want with this. I'm going to top it off with some quality olive oil from Umbria, and then add a little bit more chili pepper, and bon appetito. It's all finished. It's simple, delicious, and nutritious. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this recipe. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.